Tired of your photos looking like they were taken with a potato? Then stick around, because in the next minute and a half, I'm going to show you how to transform your images from drab to fab using a technique I call Nano Banana to HD. It's not really called that, but it gets your attention, right? Let's dive in. First, open your favorite image editing software. I'm using name of software being used in this example, but the principles are the same across most platforms. Next, import the low-resolution image you want to enhance. See how pixelated and dull this looks. We're about to fix that. Now navigate to your Sharpen filter. You'll usually find it under the Filters or Adjustments menu. Experiment with the different options. Sharpen provides a subtle boost. Sharpen more is well more. And Unsharp Mask offers the most control. I recommend starting with the Unsharp Mask. Pay close attention to the amount, radius, and threshold sliders. Increase the amount gradually until you see a noticeable improvement in sharpness, but be careful not to overdo it, as it can create unwanted artifacts. Radius controls the width of the sharpening. A smaller radius sharpens finer details, while a larger radius sharpens broader areas. Experiment to find what works best for your image. Threshold determines how much contrast is needed to trigger sharpening. Increasing the threshold can reduce noise in areas with low contrast. Once you're happy with the sharpness, consider making other basic adjustments like brightness, contrast, and saturation to further enhance your image. A little tweak here, and there can make a big difference. And there you have it. A before and after comparison shows just how much of an impact this simple technique can have. Remember to experiment and find what works best for your images. Now go out there and create some stunning visuals with exceptional detail. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks now. Seriously, go make something beautiful.